Hey there, do you want to make some extra cash online? It's super easy. Just watch some videos and you could earn up to $100 or more in a single day. Yup, you heard that right. Here's how it works. Watch one video and earn $2.80. Watch 10 videos and stuff $28 in your pocket. Now, I know you're curious about where to find these money-making videos. Well, hold your horses, I'll tell in just a sec. But first, let me tell you about this awesome website. On average, users are cashing out over $5.20 every day from this site, while they've already dished out over $611,049 to users just like you. Ready to jump in? Then, here's the first step. Head on over to this website. Now, I know you're hurrying to know the name, but patience. My friend, I will reveal that shortly. Once you're there, hit the Register Account button. Pick a cool username, pop in your email, set up a password, and tick the I'm not a robot checkbox. And don't forget to agree to the terms and conditions. Easy peasy, right? But if you're feeling lazy, you can sign up with your Gmail or Twitch account. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get that cash flowing. Once you're logged in, check out your dashboard. It's where all the magic happens. This site is the real deal, with over 4.4 stars on Trustpilot. Yep, it's been vetted and verified, so you know you're in good hands. Now, here's the cool part. You can cash out your earnings using a bunch of different payment methods tailored to your country. But you got no PayPal? Well, no problem. There are plenty of other options available. Also, you can even withdraw $2, and that sounds good. Alright, here's step 2. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Earn button and give it a click. That'll take you away to a page chock full of ways make big money online. We're talking completing some offers and playing games, watching Twitch streams, listening to music, watching video clips. But since we're all about making cash by watching videos today, let's focus on that. So click on the option that says Watch Streams. Now, here's the kicker. You don't even need a Twitch account to watch these streams. Yep, you heard me right. Even if you're not signed up on Twitch, you can still watch these streams right here and start earning some cash. Check it out. There's a whole bunch of videos up for grabs, and a big chunk of them are gaming videos. We're talking GTA 5, Minecraft, PUBG, Counter-Strike, you name it, they've probably got it. So, pick your poison. Dive into any of your favorite gaming vids and start stacking up that cash. By the way, what is your favorite game? You can drop a comment below with your top games. That way, I can whip up even more videos just for you. Let's make this gaming and earning journey even more awesome together. Alright, let's break it down. Say you stumble upon a video you're into, click on it, and you'll land on a page where you can kick back and watch. Now, while you're enjoying the video, you're stacking up some cash. How cool is that? Now, check out the cash flow. You're getting paid per minute for each video you watch. The longer you tune in, the more you earn. Simple as that. But here's the kicker. Your earnings might vary based on where you're from. Generally, the more developed your country, the fatter your paycheck. So tell me where you're from in the comments below, so I may create more videos just for you. Okay, now here's a brilliant tip. Head to the video settings and dial down the quality to save on data. It's a win-win. Watch more videos, save more data, and stack up that cash. Before we dive into the next tip, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest money-making videos on my channel. Alright, on to the second bonus tip. Time to open up multiple tabs in your browser. Yes, you heard me right. Open up a number of videos all at once and watch those earnings grow faster. Here's the deal. Let's say you're earning a certain amount per minute for each video. Now, open up 10 tabs with different videos and then multiply your earnings by 10. It's like turbocharging your cash flow. But hey, keep in mind, your earnings might vary depending on where you're located. So keep those tabs open, keep those videos playing, and watch those earnings grow. Alright, on to step 3 of our money-making adventure. It's time to dive into those short and trending video clips. Here's how to get started. And for this, you will need to install the Livestream app on your Android mobile device or on your iOS mobile device. Once you've got it installed, just punch in your username, which you can find right next to this second point. And guess what? You're all set to start watching those snappy, trending videos and raking in the cash. The longer you watch, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Here's the sweet part. Every 5 minutes you spend watching, you'll earn a ticket. Collect those bad boys to grow your earnings even more. Plus, any cash you earn on the Livestream app will automatically find its way into your account on this website. And hey, if you're feeling ambitious, why stop there? Explore other money-making methods available on this site to really max out your earnings. It's a whole world of opportunity out there. Let's go get it. Here's another way: listen to music to stack up that cash. And for this, you will need to install Global Radio on your Android or iOS. Now, here's where you can see the earning rate. You're in the driver's seat. Choose how much you want to earn per minute while jamming out to your favorite tunes. Here, for every 10 minutes you spend grooving to the music, you'll pocket anywhere from $1 to $10 in points. So crank up the tunes, relax, and let those dollars roll in. It's like getting paid to party. All right, let's talk about completing offers to beef up that bank account. Head on over to the offers section and you'll find a bunch of opportunities waiting for you. We're talking featured offers, offer providers, and survey providers. First up, let's check out the featured offers. Here, you can snag some sweet deals like installing gaming apps such as Flappy Bird. Yep, you can play games and earn money while you're at it. Next, dive into the offer providers. There are tons of them, each offering different ways to make money online. Some even let you earn cash by watching videos. Take AdSend Media, for example. Install some apps and watch those earnings roll in. And hey, don't forget to peek at the videos section at the top of the platform. There, you'll find various platforms where you can earn cash just by watching different videos. AdSend Media is a goldmine for earning cash. Aside from installing apps, you can also make money by completing surveys, signing up for various platforms, and even by installing different apps on your mobile device. It's like a one-stop shop for boosting your bank balance. Let's say you're eyeing the mobile apps option. Click on it, and you'll discover a plethora of apps and games waiting to be installed on your device. And here's the kicker. You can customize your experience by selecting your device type: Android, iPhone, or iPad. That way, you'll get access to apps specifically tailored for your device. But wait, there's more. Check out the Lucrative platform. Just like AdSend Media, Lucrative offers a slew of apps that you can install to earn more money. It's like having your own personal cash cow right in the palm of your hand. Lucrative is like the treasure chest of earning opportunities. Seriously, the list of apps seems never ending. There are hundreds of thousands just waiting for you to dive in. Keep scrolling and more apps keep popping up. It's like a virtual goldmine of money-making potential. But if you're not into installing random apps, no worries. Stick with the ones you know and love, or dive into some exciting gaming apps. That way, you're having fun while racking up that cash. Time to boost those earnings even more. Check out other offers to grow your chances of scoring big. Let's take a peek at Monlix. Click on it, and you'll find yourself on a page bursting with opportunities. Explore the different categories. I'm talking ads, surveys, you name it. Let's say you're eyeing the ads category. Click on one, and you'll be whisked away to the official page of the ad. But wait, there's a small hoop to jump through. You'll need to sign up first. Once you're in, your account will automatically link to your main account on the website. All the money you earn from watching these ads will be added straight to your account, ready for withdrawal whenever you're ready to cash out. And now the moment you've been waiting for, the big reveal. The website where you can make big money and live that lavish life is Rewardy.io. To cash in on your hard-earned rewards from Rewardy.io, it's as easy as pie. Just head on over to the withdraw section and you're on your way. You've got two options. First up, you can opt for cold, hard cash via cryptocurrencies like Litecoin, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Or, if you prefer, cash out through your PayPal account. It's as simple as a few clicks. Alternatively, if you're in the mood for some shopping spree, you can snag gift cards like Visa, Amazon, or Roblox. The choice is yours. Cash or gift cards, it's all about what suits your fancy. And there you have it, guys. 4 easy steps to start making money online and living the dream. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. Don't forget to smash that bell icon so you never miss out on the next money-making video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.